Can you really turn fat into muscle? Sounds like a great deal, doesn't it? Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's first clear the air surrounding this common misconception. Many of us have been led to believe that we can simply convert our excess fat into ripped muscle, a transformation akin to a fitness alchemy. Intriguing, right? And while this may sound like the ultimate fitness dream, there's a bit more to it. But before we jump to conclusions, let's understand the science behind fat and muscle. So, what exactly is fat? It's not just the stuff you're trying to burn off at the gym. In essence, fat is a type of tissue in our bodies, made up of cells called adipocytes. These cells are like storage units for energy, holding on to excess calories in the form of lipids. When our bodies need more energy than we're currently consuming, these lipids are broken down and used to fuel our activities. But that's not all fat does. It also plays a critical role in keeping us warm. You see, fat acts as an insulator, protecting us from the cold and helping to maintain our body temperature. And let's not forget, fat is crucial for the absorption of certain vitamins, like A, D, E, and K. Without enough fat, our bodies can't properly absorb these essential nutrients. Now that we understand fat, let's move on to muscle. Muscles, we all want them. But what are they really? And how do they work? Muscles are essentially bundles of fibers, made up of cells called myocytes. These myocytes contain protein filaments that slide past one another, producing a contraction that changes both the length and the shape of the cell. This mechanism is what allows us to move and flex our bodies in the multitude of ways we do every day. But muscles aren't just about movement. They also play a crucial role in our metabolism. As we use our muscles, they burn energy, helping to regulate our body temperature and keep our metabolism humming along. In fact, the more muscle mass we have, the more calories we burn, even at rest. So muscles are more than just the bulging biceps we see on bodybuilders. They're complex systems, integral to our survival and daily functioning. With our knowledge of fat and muscle, we can now tackle our main question. So can you turn fat into muscle? The short answer is no. Now, before you dash off in disappointment, let me explain why this is the case, and how you can still achieve your fitness goals. You see, fat and muscle are two different types of tissues in our bodies. Fat is essentially stored energy, a reserve for when your body needs that extra boost. When you exercise, your body taps into this reserve, burning fat to provide the energy you need. This process is known as lipolysis. Muscle, on the other hand, is built through something called protein synthesis. When you lift weights or do resistance training, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Don't worry, this is a good thing. Your body responds by repairing these tears, building stronger and bigger muscles in the process. The misconception that fat can turn into muscle probably stems from the fact that when you exercise, you can both burn fat and build muscle. However, one does not transform into the other. They're two separate processes happening simultaneously in your body. Think of it as a 2-for-1 deal. So while it may seem like a bummer that you can't turn that belly fat into a six-pack directly, don't lose heart. You can burn that fat and build muscle at the same time. It's all about finding the right balance of diet, cardiovascular exercise, and strength training. While it's not possible to turn fat into muscle, you can burn fat and build muscle simultaneously, so keep pushing, stay consistent, and you'll get there. Let's recap what we've learned today. We started by asking if you can turn fat into muscle. To answer this, we first delved into the nature of fat, a stored form of energy that our bodies keep for times when food is scarce. We then explored the world of muscle, a tissue made of protein fibers designed for contraction and movement. We discovered that these two aren't interchangeable. Fat can't be converted into muscle, nor can muscle turn into fat. They're different types of tissues with different functions, but don't let this discourage you. The transformation journey isn't about conversion, it's about simultaneous fat burning and muscle building. By combining a balanced diet with regular resistance and aerobic exercises, you can decrease fat stores and increase muscle mass. And that's how you sculpt a lean and strong physique. Remember, the key to body transformation is not turning fat into muscle, but burning fat and building muscle. So keep pushing, keep lifting, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Remember to subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching.